Tense is one of the most important elements in English grammar. It tells us when an action happens, whether in the past, present, or future. If you master tense, you master time. What is tense? In simple terms, tense refers to the time of an action or event. English has three main tenses: past, present, and future. Each of these can be divided into four aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Past tense is used to describe actions that have already happened. Example: she studied last night. Present tense describes actions happening right now or regularly. Example: she studies every day. Future tense refers to actions that will happen later. Example: she will study tomorrow night.